Hi there ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's Manisha here. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a gel set. So this is very kindly being sent out to me by Modelones. So I've got a 10% off discount code and it's Manisha10. I'll have it for you on the bottom of the screen as well as direct links and information for you down below. So this gel set is a glitter gel set. So it's currently retailing, well normally retails at $29.99. They've got a special running for $16.99. I'll just show you what it looks like on the website. That's it there. So they look like some really pretty colours. I'll be swatching these for you, and they always come sealed. I do quite like their packaging. It's always nice and colourful or very creative. And there's some nice instructions, step-by-step instructions with pictures as well. So you can follow what it says there. And then these are the gels here. So like I mentioned before, there's 6 colours ranging from 1 through to 6. And you also get a bonus gift of a nail brush, an art brush should I say. So this is what it looks like. It's got the Modelones logo on the side, and when you pull it, out pops the brush at the end. So it's actually quite a clever little mechanism that they've got in there. So I'll be using this brush today. Oh, it's stiff because it's not been used before, but oh, there you go, it's nice and soft and flexible. I'll be using this to swatch these gel polishes for you. So they are how many mils? 5 milliliters in size, and they do come in a little container which is nice and clearly marked for the colour. Oh, and the writing's holographic too, which is quite cool. And I think these are sealed. Yes, they are. So I'll be removing the seals on them. Oh my goodness. Check that out. Not only glittery, holographic too. I'll just get the excess back in. I don't want to waste any of it. Oh wow, these look so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to swatch these. Now, I can see that the glitter is a little bit on the chunkier side, so I'm going to see how I go, but they might end up being quite good as glitter toppers if I can't get full coverage. So we'll just see how we go with the swatches. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, so first up we've got the Silver Holo glitter, and this one's called Oscar Skirt. So this is the first layer I'm doing here. It actually applies really nicely and it gives a quite nice even scatter. I do like that there's a really good mixture of different size glitters. So I've cured that first coat for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. I've got a 48 watt LED lamp, and then this is just the second coat, so I will cure that one as well. And then colour number 2 is called Champagne. This one's like a rose gold. It's absolutely stunning. I'm sure you agree. It's really, really pretty. This is actually probably one of my favourites out of the set. Yeah, I really like it. It's quite nice. So there's a really good mixture of really large sort of hex glitters in there, and lots of other smaller ones too, but I really like how it catches the light. So that's the first coat there, and I'll be popping on a second coat. Now we'll actually top coat all of these off camera. I'll be doing it with Modelones no wipe top coat. But I'm really impressed with how flat these glitters lay on the nail, even though there are some quite bigger ones. I found that the glitter itself is really soft. It's not sort of, it's hard to explain, like the pieces do lie nice and flat over each other. I don't feel like any of it was kind of sticking up, so the base that it's in seems to be nice and pliable. So yeah, I don't even know if that's the right word, but anyway, it gets on the nail nice and easy. The formula's really good. So colour number 3 is called Temperament Gold. Yeah, I thought it said temperature first. Temperament Gold. So this is the first coat here. I've kind of put that one a little bit thicker. I found I was probably being a little bit shy with the other 2 colours, and I sort of felt like by this stage I was getting a bit more of a feel for how to apply these glitters. So I think you can sort of put them on a bit thicker, and they will cure really nice and evenly in 30 seconds. Colour number 4 is Tiffany Pink. So this is a beautiful soft shade of pink for those people that love pink out there. It's a really, really nice pretty shade of pink. Here's the first coat going on here. And these are going to be great as toppers as well, so don't feel like you need to do 2 or 3 coats to get full opacity. You can actually just use them as a glitter topper and they're going to look amazing on the nail when the holo catches the light. So here's a little bit more of a close-up of Tiffany Pink. Really, really pretty. Oh, there's the holographic and there's just really nice. It's a very nice touch. So moving on to colour number 5. This one's called Crystal Lake. This one is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. You'll see it going onto the nail here. The retractable brush is really nice as well. I've got one from one of the solid cream gel sets and I do enjoy using it. I do like the idea that you just sort of push it back together and the brush disappears inside the handle, so it keeps it dust free as well. And I did find that with this being glitters, it was actually a bit tricky to get the brush really clean, so I'm actually going to be, I've cleaned it with some isopropyl alcohol, but I think I'll just wash it under the tap as well just to get the glitters out, or I might just make it my designated glitter brush. So last but not least, this is colour number 6 and it's classic black. Really, really nice. Nice to actually have a black one in the collection, and being holo as well. It looks so nice and sparkly. It reminds me of the night sky, this one. Really, really pretty. So again, I'm just sort of getting that first coat on as evenly as possible, and you can kind of just use a bit of a dabbing action. You don't really have to brush it on as such, just kind of dab away. Cured that first layer, and then this is the second layer going on here. Really nice. I should have, I thought about it after I've filmed all of this, but I should have tried sponging it on to see what the effect would have been. But anyway, here's a close-up of all of them. Okay, so I'm back with the swatches, and I've actually top coated all of these with Modelones top coat as well, and oh my gosh, these are absolutely stunning. Every time I opened a pot I was like, oh my god, no, this one's my favourite, no, this one's my favourite, and I really do find it hard to choose, you know, and just decide on which, you know, 2 or 3 I like. But I mean, standout ones for me are the champagne sort of rose gold and blue, obviously, because I'm a big fan of blue, but the silver holographic one's really pretty. The black one, I mean, the pink, yeah, they're all just really nice. So yeah, definitely. I mean, with them being sort of holographic and glitter, you can obviously use them as toppers as well. I probably would be more inclined to use them as toppers because I did have to do a couple of really thick coats to get them opaque, but even then there's definitely gaps through there, and yeah, I'd probably either use a polish underneath that's the same colour, and then, you know, obviously do this as a glitter so you're not having to put real thick coats on. But the application itself was pretty good for a, you know, a chunkier glitter. They all sort of seem to lay quite flat, and there's no sort of lumpiness and bumpiness. So anyway, here we go with colour number 1. Absolutely stunning. Now I have actually gone off camera and done it as a topper over black because I wanted to see how it looked like over black. So anyway, that's just one coat over black, and I'm sure you agree that's absolutely stunning. These are going to be fantastic for Christmas designs. You know, you won't need too much more after you've put these on your nails, or even for New Year's Eve too, so they'll be great for all those celebration type designs. So that's colour number 1. Got colour number 2. I think this one for me is quite a standout one. I do like sort of more champagne, you know, gold, as opposed to the yellow gold, which is the next one. I just kind of feel, I think with my skin tone, I like this colour a lot more, but I just love how it's holographic. So this one as well, I've swatched it over black, and then this is what it looks like over the black, and I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. You really do not need to do anything else to your nails if you've just got a coat of that over black. So I definitely recommend colour number 2. Really, really pretty. And I mean, these gels are you know, such a good price for what you're getting in the set as well. It's you know, really good value for money, including the little retractable brush that they have. Here's colour number 3. This one just screams Christmas Really, really pretty. If you're into your sort of golden golds, you know, like a sort of more of a yellow toned gold, I'm sure you won't go past this one. Yeah, it's really, really pretty. Okay, so next up we've got colour number 4, which was the pink one, and another absolute stunner. It's a really nice soft shade of pink, and I'm sure that will be a real popular one amongst viewers. A lot of ladies like pink out there. Next up is, oh, this gorgeous aqua blue. Oh, I just love it. It just screams mermaids to me. I really, really do like it. I think of the ocean. Yeah, I'm a real big fan of blue polish, and this one really does do something for me. I can't even like get my words out now. Yeah, I really, really like this blue coloured one. I think it's so pretty, and yeah, just amazing with all the holographic. I mean, the glitters themselves, there's a really good you know, amount of different size glitters in there, so it does catch the light really nicely. That's colour number 5, and the last but not least, we've got colour number 6, which is classic black. Get my camera to focus a bit better. So I did do you know, the obviously over white, but you know, this is the reason I thought I'd do it over black, because I thought, I'm sure this is going to look amazing over black, and yeah, I'm sure you do agree, it does look really nice. It's got a really good mixture of different size glitters, and the holographic in there is amazing. It's really, really pretty, and that's just one coat over the black. So that's the end of my review and my swatches. I really do hope ladies have enjoyed what you've seen here. Thank you again, Modelones, for sending these out to me. I've really enjoyed using them. Now you can grab a set for yourself at Modelones. I've got a direct link, like I mentioned before, down below. Don't forget you get the little brush as well, and it does come boxed in this beautiful cardboard box. They're great to give as a gift as well to a loved one, or a friend, or for yourself. I've got that 10% off code Manisha10, so don't forget to use that too if you're over on Modelones, and you can use it for anything on their site, not just this set. You can use it for anything, so have a look at other things too while you're over there, but I do definitely recommend this. I think it's going to be a bit of a winner for Christmas for me. I can see some Christmas designs coming up, so yeah, just stay tuned for those. Apart from that, ladies, thanks for stopping by. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you've enjoyed it, subscribe for more. It is free to do so. You'll also find me over on Instagram, and apart from that, have a great day wherever you are. Bye for now.